What's up guys? Welcome to my channel, and today we're going to talk about this in-car DAB Plus digital radio adapter. This digital radio adapter, I've received it from Joying, the guys that sent me this lovely Android unit. Yeah, sehr schön. So let's see what we have inside. We have a manual, and you can see everything about it, what it can do: DAB Plus receiver, Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth music stream player, TF card, MP3 player. That's super. You can mount it on your air vent or on your dashboard. Now you can use a micro SD card for music, your phone via Bluetooth, or for radio from a DAB antenna. Now this is the antenna. It looks like this, and you have to stick it somewhere on your windscreen. This will have to be on the metal as a ground, and this will have to be on the screen so that you'll have a better signal. And this is how it looks on the other side. And this is your adapter. A bit pinky, but what can I say? Oh look, we have a heart here. Super. All you have to do is to connect your adapter. Now you have to stick it here, and then you have to screw these screws. Sounds weird in English, I don't know why. Sadly, I have no screwdriver with me. Sad. So let's connect the antenna. Just like that. And let's have some power. With this button you power it up. With mode you choose what you want to use. DAB Plus, Bluetooth or music. Let's see with the Bluetooth. Okay, this is connected. Okay, let's see. If you press CAYC, it will show you the transmitter frequency. Let's try. And I hope that we have it. Let's see if I can play some music. And it works. That's super. Yep, that was cool. And now let's see if we can have some radio. Look, we have some radios. But it has no signal. And I know why. Because I have no ground. Oh yeah. Press long and it will search. I have to read that manual better. And it works. Sadly, I can't show you that because that's radio and we have no copyrights. God damn it. And it sounds great. What do you say about it? Would you like to have something like this? The only problem I have is that you have to power it up from here, and you have some cables in your car. Otherwise, this is great. This is fantastic. And you can have it simply like that. Man, why didn't I had this when I had no Android unit? So thanks guys for coming. I hope that you enjoy it, and I hope that you will consider to buy something like this if you need it. If you don't need it, buy it anyway. It's cheap.